my Brilliant gang? What is up to my Brilliant squad? It is your girl Brilliant Bree here, and I'm back with another freaking video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Brilliant gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. Alright. I know y'all can see from the title, I'm doing a seafood boils today, you guys. I got my shrimp on deck. I got my corn, my sausage, my potatoes. Look, I'm ready to smash. Okay, the only thing I'm missing is crab legs today. I was really fiending for some shrimp, so I just told them to steam me up some shrimp. Alright, you guys, so like I said, I got me a seafood boil, and I explained to y'all what I got. I also got my vanilla Coke. Okay, y'all already know I gotta have me something strong for when I'm eating something so freaking good. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see if I can pick it up a bit. Y'all, I got spicy seasoning, y'all. This thing here about to be good, okay? I ain't playing. I'm starving, y'all. I'm about to smash all of this. So I hope y'all's week is starting off right, okay? I don't eat this corn, so let me get this to the side. Okay, let's see. Now, this is the same place I got my last seafood boil from. My shrimp boil, lobster tails, all that. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think below, but a lot of people told me when I do mukbangs I talk too much. Y'all know I like to talk, so let me know down below what y'all think. This spicy sauce is so good. These potatoes, y'all. Now, this shrimp will come with like 20 shrimp or something like that. Yo, it even got an egg in here. I don't know how people don't. What was I finna say? I got lost in my train of thought. Oh, I don't know how people don't like spicy food. It's spicy is good. You hear me? Why somebody come for me and say I need to be eating this with my hand? Let me pick that up. I already know. People be coming at me for the craziest stuff, y'all. Look at this. I can keep holding on to my meat. Let's get a little bit of this egg. Oh. Come on now. Mm-hmm. Yep. That's it. Y'all ain't gonna tell me I got stuff dripping off my face. These potatoes, man. I love the seafood, but I be wanting to say that's the best part. Mm. Look at that. Mm. I don't even know how people don't eat seafood. These shrimp, I'll tell you something. The bone. Whew. Hot, hot. That's how I like it. Get some of this. Ooh. Yep. Yep. That's it. Mm. 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 Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Oh yeah. I don't know if I can even try somebody else's seafood right now. See, I love meat on some of these because I'm trying to be all cute. Not using both my hands. The spice, y'all. I need all that meat. Whew. Boy. Boy. I done told that off. Excuse me, y'all. Whew. Let's have another coat. Make sure I don't get none of this stuff everywhere. Sparkle. That spice getting stuck in my throat. Sparkle come try to lick all this up. It's too spicy for her. Y'all, this spice is all in my nose and my throat. Y'all, my nose is in my nose. I'm like sneeze. Oh, y'all. Whew. Ooh. Whew. Oh, y'all. Let me tell y'all something. This spice got me going crazy because it's up in my nose. I want me a potato that's sitting in some sauce for real. My tongue, y'all. Whew. Now, y'all know I always try to eat as much as I can. I'm full, y'all. And I literally hadn't ate since yesterday around, maybe around like 5 something yesterday. And it's 4 something now. Excuse me. Woo. Boy. Anyway, so you guys, I am full, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this video right here. I hope y'all enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed eating it. Excuse the queen. I hope y'all enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed eating it, like I said. And you make sure you like, you comment, you subscribe to this channel, okay? And y'all, if you're in Dallas, I can't stress this enough. If you come and visit Dallas, you need to go to King Crab 7 in Richardson, y'all. King Crab 7 in Richardson. I mean, when I say they seafood is the bomb, it's the bomb, okay? So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next freaking video. Bye.